So hi, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-hide ng chat sa ating Viber app. But first, can you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Viber account or yung ating Viber app. And then, pagka-open guys, pumili lang kayo ng isang conversation or i-open nyo lang yung isang conversation na gusto nyong i-hide yung contact. So, pagka-open guys, itap nyo lang yung profile name ng contact na gusto nyong i-hide. And dito guys, after nyan, ganito yung mag-a-appear. So, ito yung pinakang-profile ng account na yon. So, ang gagawin nyo lang is-scroll up nyo. And hanapin nyo dito yung hide this chat. So, tap nyo lang hide this chat. And then, magsa-set up tayo dito ng pin. So, nakalagay dito is you can hide any conversation from the chat list so that only you can see them using your pin. So, kapag mag-hide tayo ng chats is kailangan mag-set din tayo ng pin. Tap nyo yung set pin. And dito guys, kahit naman ano yung ilagay nyo, so dapat hindi nyo siya makalimutan. So, lagay nyo lang yung pin. And then, after nyan, confirm nyo lang, i-retype nyo yung pin na ginamit nyo. So, ayan guys, para daw makita natin yung mga hidden chats, ang gagawin nyo lang is, mula sa search bar ng conversation, isa-search nyo is yung 8080 sa chats tab. So, okay lang natin. So, testing nga natin guys. So, mawala na yung conversation na yon. So, dito sa search tab is, isa-search lang natin yung 8080 and lalabas na yung naka-hide na conversation. So, ito yun guys. So, ayun lang, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-hide ng chat sa ating Viber. If you have a question, click comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you from my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.